Hey everyone, Dipanjan Day here, and welcome back to D Freelancer. Today's day 2 of our free Canva learning series. Just like yesterday, we're diving into more exciting Canva features that make designing a breeze. First up, Canva Templates. Canva offers thousands of free templates for social media posts, presentations, videos, and more. Start by picking a template that fits your project. Customize it by changing text, images, and colors to match your style. Templates save you time and give your designs a professional look without needing advanced skills. Next, let's talk about the drag and drop editor. Canva's editor is super user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Just drag elements like text, images, and shapes onto your canvas. Arrange and resize them easily by clicking and dragging. You can create amazing designs effortlessly, even if you're a total newbie. Now, the media library. Canva has a vast collection of free stock photos, videos, graphics, and audio tracks. Search for what you need using keywords and drag and drop them into your design. You can also upload your own media. High-quality media can really make your designs pop. Collaboration features are next. Canva lets multiple people work on a design at the same time. Invite team members by sharing a link or sending an email invite. They can edit, comment, and suggest changes in real time. Perfect for team projects. And finally, export and share. Once your design is done, you can easily download or share it. Choose the format you need like PNG, JPG, PDF, or even video. Click download and you're set. You can also share directly to social media or via email. That's it for today. We'll be back next week with more Canva tips on day 3. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is a completely free course on creating graphic designs using your mobile. See you next time.